Hello you guys, it is the morning right now. It's a Saturday morning and I'm just sitting down in my office. So my office tour, I have a new video on, like a whole tour of what's behind me, and then of course this area, oh my gosh, my computer screen needs to be cleaned. This area back here you guys always see, and my flowers are still going strong. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. And they're so fragrant as well. So I share these in my closet tour. Oh my gosh, these just make me so happy. They're so pretty. So yeah, this is gonna be my view. This is my laptop. I have this box where I keep documents. I have my iced coffee right here. This right here is my energy to get all the tasks done that I need to. As a YouTuber, blogger, it's my full-time job. But like on Saturdays I work, Sundays I try to keep it a little less work. It just depends on the week. It really is different. But I always try to have a day or two of the week with like blocked out times to, you know, have to do other things other than work. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my iced coffee. I'm gonna answer comments from my video that I uploaded last night. I'm so glad you guys are loving it. It's a loft try-on haul. So I am going to be answering your questions and comments. I love just chatting with you guys in the comment section. I mean, it just is like one of the best parts of what I do. I try to answer every single comment, and I try my best to. It's like really important to me that it's just like always a priority for me because I love chatting with you guys. I mean, why else would I do this? So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my iced coffee. I just bought a Nespresso and I'm really excited because I was like waiting for the one that I wanted to go on sale, and it finally did. And I'm like, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it because I've heard so many great things. So if you guys have any Nespresso pod favorites or recipes, like I like iced drinks, like pretty much iced all year round. I don't know about you guys, you drink your coffee hot or iced most of the time? Comment that down below. I'd love to know what the majority of you like. But definitely iced for me. So if you have any recipes, that would be super fun. All right, now I'm rambling, but today I have a lot of fun things planned. I'm gonna be going to my parents' house for dinner tonight to spend time with them. And my mom's gonna be over for lunch. She's gonna help me out a little bit this afternoon. And I'm going to make a little new recipe. And I also wanna wash my hair this morning. I really need to wash it. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair this morning. That's why I have my baseball cap on. And yeah, that's pretty much my day so far. I mean, I'm still trying to keep it low-key because I'm on a new Crohn's medicine, and usually I work out first thing in the morning. That's another thing. I'll usually like work out one of the first things in the morning now. My morning routine has slightly changed since when I did my productive morning routine. So now I start out my days with like, I'll eat a banana really quick and then do a workout. But this morning I was so exhausted. Ever since I tried my new Crohn's medication, I've been feeling really run down and exhausted, like extreme fatigue. So this morning I decided to skip my workout. I worked out 5 days this week already, so I feel fine like about that. I love working out though. It really is just great for clearing my mind for the day. My oven just went off to make my breakfast too. I'll be showing you guys what I have for breakfast. I'm so glad you guys are loving this try-on haul. Thank you so much for all the love on this video. So I'm gonna go through any comments that came through last night. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the next little bit. All right, just made some breakfast. I'm gonna be eating some breakfast and doing some work this morning. I'm gonna work on some Instagram DMs and comments that I need to catch up on. And for breakfast, because I actually get quite a bit of requests to share like what I eat in a day. So today, this is like a typical breakfast for me actually. It's like one of my go-tos. So I have turkey bacon right here. I have 3 strips of turkey bacon, some eggs, and I put a little bit of pecorino romano cheese on top, just a little sprinkle. Adds like a little bit of saltiness to it. It tastes so good. And then I have gluten-free bread. It's by Canyon Bakehouse, I think it's called. It's one of my favorite brands of gluten-free breads. Bacon, eggs, and toast. It's kind of like a classic breakfast, but a healthier version, I guess. So I'm gonna be eating this and doing all my comments. I just showered, and this is the lineup of hair tools. So I'm just blow dried my hair with the Dyson. I have to do a video actually on this. I know I've gotten so many requests about my thoughts on it, and I have updated thoughts on my stories. I kind of said in the beginning I wasn't so sure about it, but now, spoiler alert, I really do love it, but I just want to go more in depth about it. So I use this, and I'll give myself a little blowout. And then this seems like a lot of tools and steps, but this really will help my hair like last for days and days, along with, you know, the help of dry shampoo and texture sprays. But for the first day, like when I wash my hair, I'll blow it out. Then I'll use this in my roots. I've talked about this in Amazon favorites video, but this like kind of crimps my hair only in the roots and it gives that lift and volume. Again, I only use this on first day hair, and then I'll curl it to like give it a good curl and set. And then pretty much then all the days after that, I'll just spray my hair dry shampoo to keep up with like making it last longer. And then I'll sometimes just touch up the curls. But other than that, like it really is not that hard. Just these 2 extra steps right here that are a little bit longer in time, but I feel like they help my hair just like really look more polished for a longer amount of time. Okay, so I just did my foundation, my hair, I blew it out, curled it. I still need to brush it and style it, but I just threw this hairband in, but I'm gonna fix it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna show you guys, I'm not gonna do like my whole makeup routine on here, but I did wanna show you how I do my concealer lately and how I set it, because this is the one thing that has changed. So this has been though my holy grail concealer. So when I have the concealer, I just apply it like in a triangle. Let's look in the mirror here a second. And then same thing. Gonna look a little crazy for a second. I gotta take my beauty blender. Okay, and then after that, I'm just going to take this setting powder. It's from Too Faced and it's so good actually. I've been on the lookout for something like this. And I'm just gonna take a brush from my friend Steph's brush line, SL Miss Glam. So definitely check it out if you're looking for some really good quality brushes. So I'm just going to, hold on one second, just tapping it into the powder and then patting it into the concealer, and this is gonna help it last all day. Then I'm just basically gonna go in with my bronzer, my blush, my highlight, all that good stuff, and then I'll meet you guys right back. And here is the finished look. So this is how my hair looks. I did add in my clip-in extensions. If you guys follow me on Instagram stories, you know I took out my extensions myself because I obviously can't go to the salon, and I've just been doing the clip-ins and I've been loving them. And yeah, so I'll probably do a little outfit of the day a little bit later, but I'm getting like really hungry for lunch. So it's been quite a few hours since I've been doing like work in between, like getting ready and whatnot. So I'm gonna go make some lunch. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make because I've been wanting to try out this recipe. So this recipe I found on Lemon Stripe's blog and it looks so good, doesn't it? Seems pretty easy. I don't have avocado for the top, but we'll just make the rest of it. So let's see how this goes. All right, so I'm going to use this. I just rinsed off the can, but this is the Wild Planet tuna. That's the one, like one of the better ones, I guess like health-wise. So I'm gonna use this, just open up the can. All right, so I'm just gonna set the bowl tuna aside, and then it says combine the tuna. This says a shallot, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of onion because that's what I have. Just do this side. It also calls for pickles, like chopped up pickles. I'm just gonna use relish. It's like pretty much, I guess, the same thing. Okay, I had to go run this under hot water, but I'm gonna do about like 3 tablespoons. I mean, I like pickles, so it's not too bad, I guess, if there's a little too much. So just going to add that. I have a half a tablespoon right here. I'll just do 2 of these. And then it says a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Dijon, however you call it. Okay, now it just says to like mix it all together. Okay, I'm going to cut up a lemon. It just says add lemon, salt and pepper to taste. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to start. I could always squeeze it over the top. Oh wait, and then for crackers, how cute are these? They have like scallops on the ends, so I thought these would be cute. So I was just gonna do like, instead of, I think they say on the blog to use like toast, but I'm just gonna use crackers. So I'm just gonna open these up. Put this up. This looks so good. It smells really good. Okay. I'm in my office. I thought I'd show you guys. I added this little poof here, and I really like the little addition because I think it kind of completes this little corner here. I added that since my office tour that I did. I'll link the video if you want to see my closet office tour of me going through everything here. These roses bloomed since my office tour. I filmed the office tour about 2 full days ago, and these have even opened up like even more. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful. And then I also have these down here too. I feel like they even got like brighter in color since I filmed the video. Because I filmed that video the day they came in, but I feel like they just had more time to like open up and bloom. Is it on? Okay. All right, you guys, it is actually a week later. So I just thought we would like kind of sit and chat, just keep it really casual and yeah, just like update you guys on my life, because I feel like some of you guys are just like friends and family. Like we just chat through DMs and in the comments, and you guys are so amazing. And I know I've shared so much of my Crohn's journey on my YouTube, on Instagram stories lately. For those who don't know, I just started a new Crohn's medication and I got my second round, which I'm in the middle of like a loading dose for that on Thursday this past week. So it's been Friday, Saturday. It's like about 3 days or so since I had my second infusion. So my medicine is like a biologic, so you have to get it in an IV. I had to go to the hospital to get it, and it's the first round. It was really rough on me, and I kind of figured the second round would be a little more tough than the first, because you're just like putting just so much medication into your body at once, because one dose is meant for 8 weeks long. And in the beginning, so you go the first time, then in 2 weeks later, this was what I just had, and you have another dose. So I have like 16 weeks worth of medicine in me. So it's been really tough. The past few days have been so horrible, unbelievably awful. Like, I don't know whether to call it a reaction or a side effect, but it has just been really tough. Luckily, thankfully, this morning when I woke up, I mean, I still have quite a bit of pain, but bearable enough. I mean, I'm kind of immune to pain, like more mild levels of pain. I'm used to working through a lot of pain over the past 7 to 8 years. I've learned to work through it, and it's tough sometimes, but that's why a lot of people say, oh, you don't look sick. But I'm so used to living my life through mild to moderate pain every single day, pretty much. I mean, some days are better than others, but for the most part, I've learned to just live like that. And that's why some people are surprised when I say I've been really sick lately, but when it's bad, it just has been really bad lately. So it's very disheartening to have this happen, because this was one of my last treatments that I had left available for my Crohn's. I have tried everything what feels like under the sun. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And if you are going through anything, whether it is an autoimmune disease or just anything that you're going through in your life, oh, just know you are not alone. And my heart just goes out to you. And I just received so many DMs, and unfortunately so many of you deal with so much similarities as me. So I'm trying the best that I can. I'm gonna try to fight through this as hard as I can. And this has also taught me that, like, to never take feeling decent for granted. Like, if I don't have on fire joint pain happening, that I'm so thankful that I could say film this video right now, or that, you know, anything. It's helped me to not take a lot for granted in my life. So that's where I'm at. I just wanted to share that. I, you know, always am open about my health journey and everything like that. So I thought I'd share that, because I feel like I don't share it enough, and I feel like it could help somebody. So if I could just help one person, it's worth it to share. So yeah, but I'm gonna try to have as best as a weekend as I can. Sunday, so it's Sunday, what is it, Sunday afternoon, it's like 2 o'clock. I want to try to film this try on haul for you guys. Just try to try these clothes on, because I've been wanting to share them with you guys. And yeah, so let's go try some clothes on. Okay, here's a few new pieces that I just got in. I'll have them all linked below. I also have a coupon code for all of them. They're not sponsored or anything, but I just wanted to offer you guys the coupon code in case you want to save some money. But this first top, these are all super affordable, by the way, all under, I think $42 maybe, and under for everything. So this top is so darling because it has the tie shoulder detail, which you could adjust. I always love a tie shoulder detail. I think it makes the top just a little bit more elevated and so pretty, but this is still really comfy and great for like an everyday summer outfit. I mean, just pair it with denim shorts and your favorite slides, and like I feel like it's just so easy and effortless and cute. Has the smocked detailing, very stretchy and nice and comfy. Has all over eyelet detailing, and it's even lined. You could see a double lining there. So this does come in a few other colors. This is, I think, called blush pink. I'll have the exact color linked below. It'll take you to the exact color along with the others. But yeah, this is such a cute one, and I have it paired. I'll show you guys really quickly. I just got these sandals in. I think they're so cute, and they are like a natural color, so they'll of course just go with everything for my summer wardrobe. So love these. I just think they are so cute. Okay, we have another item with the tie shoulder detail, but this is just such a good everyday casual white eyelet dress for summertime with the tie shoulder detailing. Very just like loose and flowy silhouette, which is amazing. So it's very flattering, and it even has the lining underneath so you won't see through the white. I feel like you could style this dress so many different ways. I just paired it with this bag here. I'm gonna try to look to see if I can find it on pre-loved sites, because I know you guys like love this bag. So up next are these tie-dye shorts that I got in. They are so cute. I will say right off the bat that I feel like they're running a little bit smaller. They do have the elastic waistband. They're very comfy though. Throw it on with like a cute tee and like you're set for like a cute and comfy everyday summer look. I threw it on with these gold slides and this tote. But yeah, definitely they're really cute though. I'm loving the tie-dye. Okay, last piece I'm gonna share with you guys is this top. It's very flowy, but the fabric is so buttery soft. I wish you guys could feel it. It's really nice. Again, nice casual piece every day for summer. Threw it on with one of my new favorite pairs of denim shorts, and then these nude sandals and my checkered tote bag. This is in the brown color. So yeah, I love the brown with this mauve tank. This is actually the shade mauve for those wondering. This comes in a bunch of other colors too. All right, so I feel like this vlog has gone on for quite some time, but I just want to leave on a positive note to you guys. I hope you're having a great week, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and let me know any other video requests that you guys want to see. And I'll have everything that I mentioned in this entire vlog listed out in order of when I shared it. So I love you guys so much. Seriously, you guys are amazing. I look forward to chatting with you more in the comment section below. Just say hello and let me know how you guys are doing, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Love you guys. Bye.